Hello guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. I know that it's been a little while since I posted on here, so I apologize for that, but I'm back and I'm ready to share another amazing video with you guys. So for today, I thought I would bring you into my house. The husband's here, he's watching TV on the couch. I have 4 fur babies, as you know from my other videos, so they tend to like to be in the kitchen when mom's cooking because they think they're gonna get a little something of whatever I'm cooking, and let's be honest, they usually do. So if they come in the video, if they start to go crazy, just a fair warning. So for today, we're gonna do something a little different, something I haven't done before, but I'm actually going to be showing you guys how to make a healthy avocado salsa. And you guys know I'm all about health and fitness because I'm a fitness coach. So this is going to be something that you can add into your meals guilt-free. It's going to be really, really healthy. And I don't know about you guys, but we eat a lot of chicken in our house. And in order to keep it fresh and interesting so it doesn't get boring, we eat a ton of salsa. So we're always kind of, messing around with recipes and trying different things. So for this one, when you normally think about a salsa, you probably think about a red tomato base. And we are gonna use tomato, but it's gonna be really different. So I'm excited to share this with you guys. So what you're gonna need is you're gonna need avocado. You're going to need 1 red onion. You're going to need some cilantro, some lime juice, or if you want fresh limes, that's fine as well if you wanna squeeze your own limes. And then this is where it gets a little different. You're going to be using what's called a Mexican husk tomato. So it's a green tomato. You can find it in your grocery right next to like the jalapenos. It's gonna come with a husk on it like this. And I don't know if you can see that. And this actually peels right off and reveals the tomato underneath. So I actually have some that I've already peeled here. And another thing is when you peel it, it's gonna be very sticky. So make sure that you get it all washed off. So you're gonna need that. Of course, salt, pepper, and some fresh garlic. And then over here on the stove, I actually have some jalapenos roasting and some more of the tomatillos roasting as well. So I am going to take you over there so we can take a look at that. I wish you could smell it because it smells amazing. All right, so I've enlisted the help of the husband to help record me. So over here, we have this it's called an indoor grill. And you can find this on Amazon, and I actually have a link to it in my Amazon account, so I can put that down in the description for you if you want to invest in one. It's really, really neat because it's smoke-free. You can get stuff on here and grill it like you see. These are looking done. They're amazing. So if you need anything kind of roasted or grilled, this is awesome, and you can find it on Amazon. So I have some jalapenos here. We're not going to use all of these. I like to eat jalapenos along with all of my meals, like on the side. I love hot chili, but my husband, not so much. So we're gonna play this by ear on how many we're actually going to be putting in the salsa. And all of this stuff is going to be based on what you like in your salsa. So if you want more spice, add more, maybe not so much. If you like garlic, put more garlic and things like that. So we are going to get all of this over there. I'm gonna get everything prepared so I can show you how we're gonna blend it all up together. Okay, so I have everything ready to go into the blender. So I already have the roasted tomatillos in here. The ratio that I'm using is going to be about a 3-to-1. So we're going to be using 3 tomatillos to 1 avocado. And I only roasted half of them. I didn't want to roast all of them and have like a very overpowering roasted taste. So I have a few that I roasted in here already. We're going to go ahead and add the other ones that are not roasted. We are going to add a couple of the avocados, a couple of squirts of lime juice, and I'm gonna go ahead and get that blended all up together and get it started, and then I'll come back and show you guys how I add the rest. Okay, so I didn't want to overload the blender. You have to start out slow and get the liquid going. So I'm going to go ahead and finish with putting my avocado in there. Then I'm going to add about half of the onion, and then again go with your taste and what you want from there. We're gonna start with 1 jalapeno for now. And I'm also just gonna put a little scoop of garlic, a little bit of salt, some pepper, and a bunch of the cilantro. Mix that all up, give it a taste, and then adjust from there. All right, so the first blended up finale, ready for taste. It's ready. I'm gonna bring in some taste testers to give it a go. Guys, come taste my salsa.
Alright, here we go.
Husband and fellow coach Mariah, give it a taste.
Alright, let's try it.
If it's not good, fake it.
It's not good at all.
Does it need more spice?
I'm just kidding. It's awesome.
Does it need more spice?
No, it's good.
So
Are you
good.
sure?
So
Let me
good.
taste it.
No, you can't. Man, awesome.
It needs way more spice.
We're trying to make it.
It needs more spice.
It's so good.
Well, yeah, it may need spice. That's all I need, really, but.
But that's it, guys. So if you want to give this recipe a try, let me know how it turns out for you guys. I hope that you enjoyed it. I am going to cook some chicken out and have some new avocado salsa with my chicken. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you have not already subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, give it a share. Share this recipe with as many people as you know. It's healthy, it's good for you, and it will make your chicken taste amazing. Probably other things as well. It's not just for chicken. And like always, if there's anything that you would like to see, please let me know, and I will do my best to get a video out for you guys. Talk to you later.